Kia ora, I'm in Year 11 at Spotswood College and I would like to say a huge thank you to Taranaki Iwi for my educational grant I received this year to help me on my educational journey.
Tēnā koutou katoa. O Taranaki te mainga, kura aupo te waka, ko wai aua te awa, ko Ngāti Kaumate te hapu, ko Taranaki Tūturu te iwi, ko Oromera Pepa o te marae, ko Adrian Tapukura o te niu raua, ko Kevin Burke Young Oku Tupuna, ko Jason Burke Rangi Te Kahutia Young raua, ko Kelly Marie Ma Oku Matua, ko Sean Francis Kerry Young Tuku Unga, o reira tēnā koutou katoa. Te Kāhui o Taranaki Education Grant that I have received this year has continued to help with my education at Hatapaora. I have had many experiences this year that would not have been possible without the support of the iwi. I thank you for your continued support to reach my goals that include attending UCOL next year to train in automotive mechanics, achieve level 2 NCA and join the Air Force. This year I have achieved NCA level 1 and awards in Te Reo Māori, as well as performing regional kapaka, sports and traditional music workshops. Another highlight that was education but at home was Te Karu o Kōtiotio. I am proud to have worked with Hapu and Iwi to extend my knowledge. For this I am truly grateful. I once again thank you for all your support. Ngā mihi nui.
Tēnā tātou e te iwi, ko Shei Witira tōku ingoa. I was one of the interns at Kāhui o Taranaki Iwi this year. It was really awesome just being exposed to all the mahi that they do in that space. It's really exciting and hopefully internships are something that they can keep doing in the future because it's a really awesome experience. I was also a recipient for one of the education grants, so just a big mihi, thank you. It's helping with my studies. I'm currently doing a Bachelor of Law and a BA in Māori and Indigenous Studies. Ngā mihi nui kia koutou, kia ora!